Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is a list of top
convertible top cleaners.
If you found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Hey guys, right now is a perfect time to give your ride that nice long-awaited clean that it needs, get it stripped off and apply a nice fresh coat of protection on there. So that's what today's video is about. We're showing you guys the full A to Z process on, making sure that you give it the nice deep clean, making sure that we do everything the proper way, and making sure that our coat of protection is gonna last as long as possible. And in the process, show you guys how to maintain the amazing shine and condition of your vehicle. So stay tuned, we're gonna be showing you guys all that right now. All right guys, so first things first, we gotta start off with the wheels. So we wanna make sure that we clean the wheels first, get this super filthy stuff out the way so that we can continue with the wash. So as you guys can see, the wheels are pretty filthy. They do have a matte Diablo wheel gel. It's actually pH neutral, which means that it's safe for use on all wheel finishes. So whether they be a glossy finish,